Hey guys, it's Erin NW back here with another video. As you can tell by the title, I did a flat twist out on wet hair. This was my first time doing this style in probably like a year, because I typically do them on dry hair, and then I stopped doing these once I got rid of my heat damage, because that was the main style that I would do when I had heat damage, because it kind of made my different textures blend. So yeah, that's why I haven't done it in a while, but I think it came out pretty cute. So if you're interested in the video, just stay tuned. Thank you so much for watching, and make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. So today I am using the Knot Away Leave-In Detangler by Creme of Nature. This is from their Pure Honey line, and I did use the entire line for this wash day. So of course I am just using this product to detangle this section of my hair. I use a generous amount, and it has a very good slip. After that, I section off my first flat twist, and I use like small to medium sections, and then I go in with the twisting cream from that same line, and first start at your ends and work your way to your roots. I use my Denman brush to make sure my hair is really smooth and knot free and tangle free. Once I'm sure the section is tangle free, I begin flat twisting, and if you guys want to see a video on how I actually flat twist, just let me know and I'll do that. And as you can see, I like to go in with my rat tail comb just to make sure my ends are really detangled, and if need be, I do add extra product. And I just continue these steps for my entire head. For each section, if it feels a little dry, I will add water, but that's it. So I'm just gonna let you guys watch the video. guys, so I finished twisting my hair. Yeah, so I'm gonna sit under the dryer. 11, yeah, I'm gonna sit in the dryer for like an hour. I'm gonna go to bed. So it's the next morning, and of course my hair is fully dry. I am taking my peppermint tea tree oil and spraying my scalp, and then I'm gonna put some of that oil on my fingertips to take down my hair and minimize frizz. So I'm taking down all of my twists, and then after that I'm going to separate for a little bit more volume. But with flat twists you don't have to separate as much because they kind of separate on their own as you take them down. So I realized that this style was about to be more shrunken than I really like. So I decided to go ahead and band my hair, and I'm gonna leave it in these bands while I do my makeup. So while I finished my makeup, my hair was in the bands for probably about 30-45 minutes, and now I'm taking it down in hopes that it's more stretched. I went ahead and took my pick and started picking out my roots just a little bit to add some volume. And then I realized that the style looked a little like, I don't know, it just needed a little oomph. So I laid that little edge in the front, and now I'm done. If you made it this far in the video, leave a like and comment a squid. Thank you so much for watching.